Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a solid silk night oil. Now let me show you just how easy it is.
Today we are making this solid silk night oil. Now this is actually completely solid to touch, but with a little bit of pressure and a little bit of warmth on the skin, it turns into a beautiful night oil product full of silk proteins for intense hydration. The base of the solid silky night oil formula is a naturally derived silicone alternative that will provide a lightweight silky feel upon application. To achieve a solid consistency, a blend of hydrogenated vegetable oil and beeswax is used. Together, these act as both emollients and oil phase thickeners. Emulsification is achieved by combining a combination of a low HLB waxy emulsifier along with a blended low HLB liquid emulsifier. So I'll just pop the silicone alternative in with the waxes and emulsifiers. Now I'm going to pop that on heat and heat to around 75 degrees. For the aqueous phase, I've pre-blended some lavender hydrosol with a relatively high concentration of humectants to provide hydration without adding additional lipids. So I'll pop that on the heat as well and heat that to around 75 degrees. Once all the waxes have melted and both phases have reached around 75 degrees, you can take it off and homogenize it together under high shear. Once the emulsion cools to below 65 degrees, we can add in the heat-sensitive material. In this formula, I'm using a silk protein complex comprising of high and low molecular weight hydrolyzed proteins and amino acids. It's included to provide a balance of moisturizing and film-forming benefits. Sandalwood essential oil is included to complement the lavender hydrosol. I have an antioxidant to protect my plant oils and a broad spectrum preservative to protect my formula. I can see that my oil is already starting to solidify, so I will take that off and pour it off into a container before it sets. Then I'll pop that aside and leave it 24 hours for it to reach its full viscosity. So after 24 hours, we have this completely solid oil that, with a little bit of warmth, will rub into the skin and give an intense oil finish full of silk proteins for intense hydration.
See? And that's how easy it is to make a solid silk night oil. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!